Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach to the students of Standard 5 English Literature. So I will start with the poem Paper Boats. So, in your previous class, as you have read the poem, so today I will explain you the poem. So, this is one of the most famous poem written by Rabindranath Tagore, and Rabindranath Tagore was a famous writer, singer and painter. He composed the national anthem of two countries and he was the first Indian to be awarded the Nobel Prize. So children, this is just a poem to recall our childhood days when you and your creative mind think something magical and your innocence, creative ideas, unable to invent something enjoyable and many other activities. So in this poem, the poet recalled his childhood days. So day by day I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. So in these lines the poet says that he floats the paper boats in the running water by writing his name and the name of his village in big black letters. He does this with the hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know about him and find his boat and take them. And that person would come to know about the poet and who the poet is. So, I load my little boats with tulip flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. So in these lines the poet imagines that he load his boat with beautiful tulip flowers in the hope that the flowers will bloom in the early morning, will be carried safely to the land during the night. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sent them down the air to race with my boats. So in these lines, as a child explains that while floating the paper boats, he looked up into the sky. He saw that the clouds are bulging sails. So it means bulging sails means the clouds are full of water. He imagines then someone of his friend has sent these clouds down into the earth in form of rain so that they can complete his paper boat. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them and the lading their baskets full of dreams. So, in these lines, the poet explains that now it is the night time and the child is tired. While lying on the bed, he covers his face with his arms and again dreams about his paper boats. He dreams that still his paper boats are sailing and still in the midnight that fairies are sailing in them and these angels are carrying the basket full of dreams. So children, we all know that paper boats can't sail long on water, but the innocent and the creative mind of a child thinking that from morning till night these paper boats are sailing with flowers and he is dreaming with his creative ideas. Thank you.